Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. And as you can see, I am in my messy garage today. It's going to be part 5 of working on the 66 Mustang. Today I'm starting at noon, 12 noon, high noon today. And I'm going to be taking the bumper off, marking and cutting bumper brackets, welding them, and trying to get the bumper on correctly. So, as you are aware, it's time-lapse time. Hang on. Okay, I did 2 different methods. On one side, I just cut it, a section out, and just kind of spot weld it together because I'm going to adjust it. And I left it so that I could vary the angle, like only welding it where the V of my fingers are, and that would allow me to adjust that. On this side, I just cut it once, then overlapped the 2 pieces together and gave it a couple spots, and I'm good. It's gonna work. Now this needs to go up higher, which is no problem, but I've got the parallel that I was looking for. Again, this can go back, it can go up, and like this is sticking out more than the bumper right here. That's not a problem either. I can take care of that when I bolt things together for good. This side, we're doing real nice. It's parallel. Things are up the way it should be. It looks good across the car. So now I'm going to take it off and weld up the brackets for good. Then I can move on to something else. Little update on what I've been doing. I got both these bumper brackets sectioned out, welded together. We're done. And I added a couple ears onto the body. You can see the thickness of the metal that was on the car versus the thickness of the steel that I'm putting on to hold the bumper. Way stronger than it was, and I'm happy so far. I got to wire brush those off, clean them, paint them, and then I can move on to the quarter panel. But right now, let's see, it's 20 to 4, so I've been at this 3 hours and 40 minutes, and I'm hungry, so I'm going to take a break and go grab something to eat. I decided to stop working on it for today. What I did is just put the back of it back together, and I went up to Culver's car show. I usually come here on Tuesdays. Every Tuesday they have a pretty decent car show. It's windy, so I don't know if my phone is picking up all the wind or not. I'll just walk around real quick here. People are still getting here because normally that whole area is full of cars, and it's still early right now. My brother usually comes here every Tuesday. He gives away Hot Wheels to all the kids. And I'll show you his car real quick. Get over there. He's got the green 71 Mercury Comet GT. We restored this and I painted it in 2010. But it's a beautiful car. Goes to 6 car shows a week. Gives away his Hot Wheels and everything. So that's going to be the end of part 5. I'm going to stop working on it and I'll continue tomorrow.